Firstly, you are greeted with a static menu that lists all of our different series of drinks along with the relevant sub-flavors and prices. Interactive menu, a lot more prettier. So if we click on the brewed tea series, we click on classic tea. One cool features, if you click place order, it will navigate you, the customer, to place your own order.
So there's the customer kiosk. So on the interface, there's all the different flavors grabbed all the way from the database, live generated flavor. Then we can select a sub flavor that's pertaining to each flavor that's live from the database, and we can click another sub flavor. Then after you actually create your drink, now we can add additional toppings to the drink, and these are all live updated from the database. Then we click one, then we can select the intensity for the topping. Then we can go to checkout to see the actual item that's in the database already.
The cashier and manager are highlighted differently because uh, there's limited access to it as an authorization. Only employees can go through it. So, yep, there you go. Okay. So this is the cashier side. And to your left is just the POS panel where you could place you can select your flavor and then works the same as the kiosk where the sub flavors are updated based on the flavor. Choose your toppings and the intensities based on it, and the checkout updates every 7 seconds.
So once we go into the manager page, we can see that we have an admin menu. These are just different metrics that a manager would like to see. And so if we go up and click on admin, we have different panels, so we can manage employees, manage the menu and the inventory. So if we go down, we can see that we have different types of employees, and we have different actions where you can edit their pay and we can delete them. And if we go back to admin, if we go to manage menu, here we can add and we can manage different menu items and toppings. And for inventory, once again, similar format, but it's just the different ingredients and different materials as well. The Z report, our sales report, and our product usage report. So if we click on X and Z report, you can see it's already automatically generated, and we can constantly refresh it to whenever we want sales report. So if we just click on all time report, for example, and then click submit, it takes like 1 or 2 seconds to generate, but here we have a scrollable table on the right, and we have a graph on the left of usage. And so here, right, we can select what time we want. So let's go ahead and just select a random time. So let's go actually select 2016, and select, say, like the 10th month. So yeah, and we can go ahead and run report. And so here we can see our different inventory and the total amount of usage.
Yeah, so if we go over to the select language button and we can change the language to Spanish, as you'll see, the menu or the whole application will reload actually, and this is system wide. So if we go to the order menu as a customer, we will be able to see that everything has been enabled high contrast. You'll see that now we have a high contrast mode that also highlights whatever we are hovering over, making placing an order easier for the visually impaired options. So you can select zoom, you can select normal, large, or extra large. So if we go ahead and choose extra large or large, then we end up with a larger overall kiosk and